it going, everybody? Captain Nick Pavlak is here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. As you all know, the Aquila hub of the United States of America. And right here I'm standing on a fresh, brand new Aquila 44 straight from the port, and I'm looking forward to showing everybody around. Hop on board and let's get this party started. Before we hop on board here, I noticed one big change on this, but we've got I don't know if this is a custom ladder or what, but a really beefy and updated swim ladder here on the platform on the port side. Hop on board and let's get to the entertaining area here on the stern deck. The Aquila 44 has a lot to offer throughout the whole boat. This is one of my favorite areas right here. We've got the dinghy davit. Chocks aren't set up yet. We'll do that once the dinghy comes in, or the tender, or whatever you want to call it. Got a drop down table right here for some entertaining, some dinner time meals at the sunset. We make our way over here. This is what's the showstopper on the Aquila 44. You notice bar seats there, right here. Aquila really perfected the integration of the aft deck entertainment area with the bar right here. So we make our way inside of the yacht here. Gonna be Kenyan induction cooktop, done a lot of cooking on these boats, a lot of eating as well. Really spectacular place to socialize right here, inside, outside, fully integrated. Plenty of storage right here with your microwave. I've also seen people put toasters down there as well. Gonna be storage throughout the course of the whole boat here. We have a fridge freezer combo down there. More storage throughout all these cabinets. If you see a cabinet, there's gonna be storage throughout the whole thing. Down here, kind of takes a nod at Aquila's charter DNA. These boats were designed for MarineMax's charter fleet in the British Virgin Islands and the Bahamas, and everything is just so user-friendly. Over here, you've got access to all your batteries, all your tank monitors, and your generator controls right there. You come over here, you've got all the breakers for the rest of the boat and the systems. As we make our way in here, we're going to have a drop-down table, which does turn into an extra bed, actually. So I've spent a lot of time here with customers down at different slips and marinas and stuff, and we'll all be hanging out outside, and you drop this down. Kids are all going to watch a movie from the television, which is going to pop up from right there, and you essentially gain a whole extra stateroom. Here we have a lower helm. Not all Aquila 44s are equipped with a lower helm. This is quite the upgrade. Why is it nice? Well, if you're in colder weather or something, in Florida we really don't encounter that very often, but let me tell you, when you do need it, you really need it, and it is nice to have. Plus, even when it's hot out, you're making those long trips, you're on autopilot, you know, going to the Bahamas or going to the Keys or something. It's amazing how much less beat up you get when you're down here in the air conditioning, you're talking with everybody, and you're not exposed to the elements on the Flybridge. The Aquila 44 power catamaran is known for a number of features, but I think that undoubtedly the number one thing that sets it apart from any other monohull or power catamaran on the market sub 50 feet is going to be the full beam master stateroom. This is what it's all about right here. This is why it's so popular in private ownership. You make your way down here, you've got an office, you have a closet right there, you have another closet right there which can be equipped with a washer dryer combo. This one in particular just has more storage, which you can really never have enough of on a boat. Tremendous size bed here as well. Follow me down into the master stateroom. Television can go right there. Down into the master head. They did a really great job with it. Follow me in here. I mean, if you're going to be spending more than a week on a boat at a time, why not enjoy yourself? Why feel like you're on a boat when you can feel like you're at home doing something that you really love, and you're really not going to feel like, hey, I'm on a boat, I wish I was at a hotel or whatever. There's no reason to leave the boat when you're on an Aquila 44. Over here we find ourselves in the starboard stateroom. You can tell it's a premium interior finish model with the accents right there. Got fans in the cabins as well, and if you want to swap with me here, we have a dry head. Plenty of space up on top of your head as well. I'm 6 feet tall and I'm not banging my head anywhere. Follow me down here into the port stateroom. They're just about going to mirror each other. The beds are a little bit different between port and starboard, but for the most part, you're looking at the same thing down here. Plenty of privacy, whether you've got kids, grandkids, another couple, whatever it might be. Everybody is gonna not feel claustrophobic. And keep in mind, we're talking about a 44-foot boat here. To find this square footage on any monohull, you'd be looking at 55 footers. Of course, just like we had on the starboard side, on the port side, we're gonna have another dry head with a separate shower and toilet. Follow me up to the Flybridge. This is where you're going to be doing most of your close quarters maneuvering, all the visibility. But it is going to act as a whole other entertaining area right here. All this shade with the oversized hardtop, and of course, you make your way over here. You've got another grill. Of course, Kenyon, the best in the business. Storage down beneath, an ice maker as well. And this acts as another table where these do come up. If you're having a nice day, let's say that it's sunny and 75, you want to eat outside on the Flybridge, catch a nice little breeze, what better place to do it than right here? Up here to the Flybridge helm station, got your wall wheel controls, tremendous amount of visibility too. You get on an Aquila 44, they are big boats like we've talked about, but when you're driving them, they are one of the most easiest boats to drive. Just the engines are so far apart on a power catamaran. You split the sticks on these Volvo controls and you can make this boat do a 360. You've got complete control over these boats in almost any situation, with or without a bow thruster. Once you dock them a couple times, it's very, very easy and all the intimidation goes away surprisingly quick. Follow me up to the bow here, where we're going to end this walkthrough. Massive amount of real estate up here. I've seen people put a bow pad. You have a huge amount of storage. Down below here where your water tanks are going to be as well. This is usually a good place to store dock lines and fenders. And of course you have a oversized freshwater tank too. You have another one over here. So I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis. This is an Aquila 44. If there's anything Aquila that you want to view, come right down to the Aquila hub at MarineMax in St. Petersburg and let's get you out on the water and change your life forever. Bye guys.